Good morning, everyone. This is Denise with Asher's Treasure Homesteading and Gardening. Yes, everybody's still asleep. It is a Monday morning. My son and daughter-in-law took the day off. They're tired. They work hard. They work at a warehouse. And they had to work Saturday. And it was not good. So I'm going to leave it at that. So they took the day off. But I have a video coming out in a couple of days. I was just laying in bed, sitting there thinking, and I was like, I've got a list of good videos to do, and Lord just laid something on my heart. Nothing sad. How to protect yourself when you go out and your loved ones. And let me tell you, I have to really say, I have to give Walmart kudos. They are trying. They really are. I don't know why people pick Walmart to do things there. I really don't. I don't understand that. Walmart. Why? It's because they think poor people go there? Or the average person goes there? Or they think the rich don't really go there? Who knows? But people just choose Walmart because I can think people there are easy targets. And here is why. So, this is a video about protecting yourself and your family when you go out. I don't care what store you go, grocery shopping, Walmart, whatever grocery store you go to, be always on the lookout. Keep your eyes open. Yes, do what you gotta do, go shopping, but pay attention. And I've taught this ever since high school, because the girls used to come to me, well, this happened last night. How do we protect ourselves? Go ask Nancy. She'll know what to do. I am sorry I'm laughing, but it never failed. Go ask Nancy. She might have some Tylenol or aspirin in her pocketbook, and go ask Nancy. She's got fingernail polish. I think I carried everything but the kitchen sink. How about that? Back then, we had the little small aerosol hairspray cans. Alright, people remember those? I told the girls, keep one of those in your pocketbook. Someone trying to, you can always, we had the snaps or we had the zipper, something. Keep, have that. The pump ain't gonna work. You can spray it in their eyes, and they gives you time to get away. My keys are over there. Car keys. That's a good thing, because I wanted to be in law enforcement. I ended up being in security years later, but an officer gave me this tip: take your car keys, put it in between your fingers. Back then, we had to put it in the lock and unlock it because you're already ready. If someone tries to do something to you, you've got that. The face, the gut, arms, something to hurt them. We give you time to get away. We still have car keys. I have a house key. We all have house keys. A mailbox key. We've got some kind of keys. Stick them in between your fingers, and you're good to go. And who knows, I might get dinged for that. I don't care. Some people carry pocket knives. That's a good way to protect yourself. Now, always be looking. Now, this has happened more than once, but yesterday was just a reminder. No matter what store you go into, here are some key things to think about and know if you're being followed or being watched. Excuse me. So, alright. Well, we'll take Walmart. You go and you go to the shampoo aisle. You're the only one in the aisle at that time. And you see, it could be a man, it could be a woman, it could be a couple. Okay? Keep that in mind. You're at this aisle, they're at this end. All of a sudden, no, there's somebody at the other end. Okay? People shop. You don't think about that. Here's the key. They don't have a cart. They don't even have one of those hand carrying things. They're just standing there looking at stuff. Just picking up, put it down. Now, unless you've been in a car accident or you're going through a messy divorce, you're going to think something else. But there's the key. You're not going through any of those things. So I say, okay, maybe he's just shopping. Or she's shopping. Or they shopping. So you go and you mosey on. You go to the toy aisle. Now, especially for parents with little kids or even older kids, you don't think nothing about. You go to the toy aisle and y'all looking and everything. You go around the corner, all of a sudden the same couple, the person is on that aisle. Then you're like, okay, a couple bells are ringing right then and there. Keep that in mind. Okay? So you mosey on about your business and everything you're doing. So you don't say anything to anybody, but you keep it in mind. So you go on to other parts of the store. Say you go to electronics and you don't see them anymore. Or you don't think you see them anymore. So you gotta do what you're supposed to do. Look at what you're gonna get there. And go to the book aisle. This is what happened yesterday. I'm telling you. Go to the book aisle and we're looking at books and it happened to look up. Now I have the cart because I need the cart when I go shopping. My granddaughter was sitting in the cart. And we put her in the cart for a reason. And this is the reason. Yes, she's 6 years old. She can walk, but she goes in that cart. I put her look up. There's that same couple again. Now, come on. I do not believe in coincidences. And I'm quite sure a lot of people don't. You're going to sit there and tell me that same couple is shopping the same places we've been shopping the whole time we've been in Walmart? No. So, my son and daughter-in-law and I have been talking about going somewhere to eat. The other one has said what she wanted to eat. My daughter-in-law looked at me and I looked at her and I said, just go with what I say. I said enough, loud enough so she could hear me, but they couldn't. And she looked at me and she goes, have you decided what you want to do? I said, we're going to go home and eat. But we're going blah, 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 blah beforehand. And she goes, okay. And I winked at her and she knew. See, we already had this planned out. She knew. So we turned around and walked away. And as we were walking away, my son goes, what's going on? See, he already knew. He knew. So she told him what happened. We walked to the freezer department. And let me tell you, when we said that, we never saw them again. Never saw them again. They didn't follow us anywhere else in the store. They didn't follow us outside. Nothing. So, I am telling you, keep your wallet, your purse close, but your family closer. And those are some key points. If you feel uncomfortable, just drop your stuff and leave. I've done that before. But, You know, if you think they're doing something wrong, go talk to a customer service person. See how fast the cops get there. And that's at any store. Because you don't know what they're doing. They could be trying to pickpocket you. Human trafficking is a big thing nowadays. And then it's not little kids they're looking for it. It's grown adults. People going missing. You don't know what's... You don't know. Yes, we have the protection of God on us, but God gives us wisdom to keep our eye out on what's going on. So, I'm telling you, I said that, we walked away, never saw that couple again. So, please, when you go out, have a plan, make, code names, code words, something or another, that if something happens, you can turn to your family member and just say it. And say it in a sentence. Say something off the wall that you normally don't say, and the person with you, they'll get a hint. They'll know something's going on. So watch your surroundings. It's when you go in the store. If you see the person more than 2 times, second time, the red flags, your hair on your head, back of your head should stand up and everything. But 3 times, come on, something's going on. If you don't feel, walk away. Just turn around, walk away. Go to somebody in that department and say, hey, I have a question. Can you help me with blah, blah, blah? And let them know that, hey, you done seen them and now you're seeking help. Same thing. If you think they're following you outside, have your keys ready. If you get to your car and you don't feel comfortable, walk back in the store. Go get help. Or just, walk back in the store. If you do get in your car and you leave and all of a sudden you see this car behind you and you still have that gut feeling, the old adage was make 3 right turns. Well, make 3 left turns, 3 right turns. Go a different way. If they still following you, get on your phone, call 911. If you can get a plate number, the color of the car or whatever to them, and tell the police where your location is, believe me, they will have somebody there to pull that car over to find out what they're doing. And 9 times out of 10, by the time the police get there, they may be gone. But that's okay. It's recorded. So the next time, the police will get there faster. Hopefully. They get those, they could be doing all kinds of things. But the more you document, the more the police may know. Who knows? You may not be the first person that they've done this to. This could be a pattern they've been doing all over town, and the police just can't catch them. You never know. But I just want to get this out there this morning because it was just, Lord really laid it on my heart to, we need these tips and tricks to keep our families and friends and ourselves safe. So, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And I changed the little icon, if y'all have noticed. And give us a thumbs up. And ring that bell for notification. I can forget that all the time. Don't forget the bell. And thank you for watching Ash's Treasure Homesteading and Gardening. And y'all have a wonderful and safe day.